Hi, today we'll be showing you on how we make our beeswax wraps. You know why we love it. It's a sustainable alternative to single-use plastic wrap. I've only started using it 2 years ago, and each wrap would last up to 6 to 12 months depending on the usage. You can tell it's no longer usable when it's soft, thin, and not sticking to itself after applying pressure. Today I'll have each one to follow my instructions, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.